Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with FreshBooks Payments. Review my usage experience. FreshBooks Payments Review My Usage Experience offers a secure and integrated payment processing solution for small businesses and freelancers using FreshBooks accounting software. Its main purpose is to streamline invoicing and payment collection, allowing users to accept payments directly through their FreshBooks accounts. Key features include various payment methods, credit cards, etc., automated payment reminders, and secure transaction processing. Their website provides details on pricing plans, which are generally transparent and competitive. FreshBooks Payments aims for ease of use, integrating seamlessly with the existing FreshBooks platform. They emphasize security and reliability in their payment processing, offering features to protect both businesses and clients. Availability is tied to FreshBooks user base and the supported countries. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using FreshBooks Payments. Getting started was a breeze. The integration with my existing FreshBooks account was seamless. It took less than 5 minutes to set up and connect my payment gateway. The interface is clean and intuitive. I especially appreciated the ability to customize payment reminders, which significantly improved my client communication and reduced late payments. I sent out several invoices and received payments quickly and without issue. The dashboard provides a clear overview of all transactions, making it easy to track my income. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was excellent. One minor drawback was the slightly higher transaction fees compared to some other payment processors I've used in the past. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with FreshBooks Payments. It's efficient, secure, and perfectly integrated into my existing workflow. The convenience alone outweighs the slightly higher fees for me. That's my overview of FreshBooks Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.